Hello everyone, my name is Javi and I'm going to voice this course by Guadapinos in which we'll learn to draw our own anti-Christmas rock band formed by characters inspired by movies or situations, legends that have to do with Christmas. In order to create the band, we'll be influenced by other kind of bands. We'll learn what instruments do we need to create our band, we'll design its logo and its name, and will be inspired in famous anti-Christmas characters. You'll also learn about the different types of body that you can use when creating your own character design. We'll use a cartoon style to do the final finish on our designs. Then we'll do the creation of our characters through sketching, inking, and finally we'll apply a flat coloring on our drawings. If you like Christmas or even quite the opposite, you don't like it at all, this is your course.